All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with another great edition of Real Estate Insider. Thank you so much for checking us out. And today we're going to be talking about how to boost up your credit with Rental Karma. You know, people pay rent all over the world, and they're not getting credit for their credit. So today, that's what we're going to actually be talking about, is showing you that if you're paying rent to an apartment complex, you're paying rent to your landlord, you're paying rent to a utility, you're paying rent on a rig, you're paying rent on tools, you can actually get those trade lines reported on your credit to help to boost up your credit score so you can get the funding, the loan that you need and that you want. We get thousands of calls every single month from people, and they're making payments on rent, they're making payments on cars, they're making payments on their tools, they're making payments on their rig, and it's not reported on their credit, and they're suffering. They can't even get a higher credit score, and it affects them from qualifying to be able to get the loan that they need, whether they're trying to buy a house, get a student loan, get a car loan. So that's what the basis of today is. We're going to actually be talking about Rental Karma and how to boost up your credit score. And so you're going to see a lot of examples here, an illustration that when somebody actually adds rental payment history onto their credit score skyrockets. We're going to show you a demonstration today. When someone has a $700 rental payment, it actually increases their credit score 100 points. And so it's an awesome thing because, you know, a higher credit score means lower interest rates and better deals for you and your family to get the funding that you want. It's hard to buy a house if you have crappy credit. So the solution is to fix that credit. It's hard to buy an apartment complex if you have crappy credit. It's hard to co-sign for your son's student loan if you have crappy credit. So these are some solutions, some ways on how to help you to actually boost up your credit score. So guys, if you're out there and you're paying rent to your landlord, your apartment complex, you got to get those trade lines added onto your credit report. Now with us, we can actually help you to do that whenever you apply with us to get you pre-approved to buy your house or to refinance or whatever you're looking to do. We can help you to add those positive trade lines onto your credit report so that way you can boost your credit score. So you can go to the website here. It's rentalkarma.com, and you can click on the link below. Whenever you get pre-approved with us, we can actually help you to add that onto your credit. So it's a really, really important thing. And, you know, one of the things that's also very compelling about it, it's reported to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian at the same time. So you don't have to worry about it just being reported to one bureau, and the cost for it is minimal compared to the power of what it can do. It really is minimal. So I think it costs like anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks, but what it can do for you is catastrophic. It can take you from a 553 credit score to a 640 credit score, and that's huge. That's massive for somebody that's trying to either buy a house or to refinance. And, you know, we need good credit in life. You know, banks look at that. You know, lenders look at that. A credit score does matter. Okay. So that's really the main thing I want to talk to you guys about. Like I said, I'm going to show you a demonstration here shortly of how Rental Karma works. But in this example, I want you to see that, you know, we take someone that has a 553 credit score, we boost them all the way up to a 638 just by adding some positive trail. And it doesn't matter what type of rent it is, whether you're paying on an apartment complex, you're paying a private landlord rent in a house, you're paying on your tools, you're paying on your rig, you're paying on a car. Rental Karma can add these things as positive trade lines onto your credit. You're paying on your gym bill for the fitness center, you're paying on your Netflix, you're paying on your utilities. All these things can be added onto your credit to help to boost up your credit score, because you got to remember, what do lenders look at? They look at your credit report. And how is a credit score determined? It's based on your paying to the lender, your payment activity. If you have no credit, then it's going to be hard to get funding. So, but you are paying on things, so you deserve to get these things added onto your credit. So it's very important that, you know, you take a second, you know, go to the website. You want to get signed up for Rental Karma. It's a very powerful thing. It can make all the difference when you're trying to get funding for whatever it is. It's a gasoline card, it's a furniture card, it's a mortgage, you know, it's a student loan. You're going to need funding in your lifetime, or maybe you need to co-sign for your kids on something. I don't know, but you just can't pay everything in cash and not get credit for it. You know, get this stuff reported on your credit so you can get the house that you want. You can get the loan that you want, the things that you deserve. And you can show the lender, hey, I'm already paying the rent, so I can definitely afford the mortgage. So anyway, that's what we do here with my company. You know, on our network, we're very hard to educate people, empower them to deliver them great content every single day. And our mission, our goal right now is to help 1,000 families every single month all over the country. Whether you're a real estate investor, you're an entrepreneur, you're a first-time buyer, you're a veteran trying to buy a house. We want to help you in any way we can with your funding and your financial goals to make your life better. So my name's Angelo Christian. I've been in the lending business for over 15 years. I've lent over $1 billion in lending, helped over 13,000 people accomplish their financial goals. So if you're out there, you're looking to buy an apartment complex, you're looking to buy a hotel, you're looking to buy a home, you're an investor that wants to do fix and flips, you need a lot of credit or a reverse mortgage, I love to help you in any way that I can to accomplish your financial goals. One of the biggest loan programs that we help is veterans. If you're a veteran, you need help with funding, you need to get pre-approved, you need help with your credit, let me help you to boost up your credit score so you can get the life that you deserve, the life that you want. So please follow us on our social media. It's very, very important to us. I can't tell you, our mission, our goal with our social media is to grow our following to 1 million followers in the next 5 years. So share this information with your friends, your family. Click on the chat box below if you have any questions, any comments, anything that you love to see or hear. We got a lot of great content rolling out in the next few weeks. I love you guys to stay tuned, be engaged. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on our YouTube. Follow us on our Facebook. I love all you guys for all your support, everything that you do. And we're going to keep rolling out and delivering great content to educate you and empower you. And if you are looking to get pre-approved for funding, click on the link below. Call me, 832-431-6331. The other benefit is you get to work with me directly. All right? You don't get pawned off to a telemarketer or a third party. You get Angelo Christian. No one else in the world is going to offer that to you. So wherever you are, give me a call. Love to help you with your funding and your financial goals. Thank you guys so much for checking out Angelo Christian. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye. That we're talking about today on this segment is how to boost your credit score with your rental payment history. Never before were people able to do this, and now we're actually able to add your rental payment history onto your credit report. And I'm going to show you here with an example when we actually add the rental payment history onto this person's credit report, their credit score is going to skyrocket. Currently, they have a 553 credit score. So what we're going to do is add that new account for that rental payment history. And let's say that the payment is, for the rent is $700 a month. And so you can see here, you can choose all the different ones that you want to have on here to show how it's actually going to affect your credit score, right? And when you actually do this, it'll show how it affects your credit and how it can boost it up. So it's really powerful. And I love this because, one of the issues is that, a lot of people complain that they're paying rent and it's not reflecting on their credit, and they're making that payment every single month. So they should deserve to have that positive trade line on their credit report so they can get a higher credit score, because that's how a credit score is calculated, is based on your mortgage or your payments to your creditors, to your lenders. So here, even the person, or they currently have a 553 credit score, we can boost that score up because of adding the rental payment history. So here you see, boom, in 1 month, the credit score jumped, 40 points just in 1 month, just by doing that, and adding that rental payment history. So I'd love to help you out if you're looking to buy a house and you got denied by your lender, or you're trying to boost your credit with buying a house or refinancing. We can add rental payment history onto your credit to help boost your FICO score so you can get a better loan, so you can get access to money, because credit scores do matter. They look at that and it's an important thing. So you can see in 3 months that the score goes up to 597, right? And even as time passes, in a year out, this person's credit score is just going to go higher and higher. And all we have to do is report their rental payment history onto their credit. And by doing that, it'll help to boost up their credit score. So it's a really powerful thing. And I love Rental Karma because of that, because, a lot of people, they're not aware that you can look in 1 year, the credit score goes up to 638 from a 553. I mean, that's a game changer. That's a mega difference when someone's trying to buy a house or buy a car or get student loans or a credit card or a furniture loan. 100-point increase in your credit is massive. So you can see if you add other accounts here too. If we're looking at an authorized user, let's say that it's a mortgage loan, or the equivalent of a rental payment. If that helps to boost up your credit score, you can see what that's going to do for you. So anyway, I'm a big fan, big advocate of Rental Karma, and this is a reason why, because adding positive trade lines onto someone's credit can make all the difference in what they qualify for and what they can actually get pre-approved for. So anyway, guys, if you want to learn more about Rental Karma, click on the link below. you're looking to get pre-approved, this is something that we do for free for our clients. We help to add your rental payment history onto your credit. We'd love to help you out with this. Thank you so much and have a great day.